What's up, y'all? In today's video, we're going to talk about the ICT Silver Bullet. This can also be used or coincide with candle range theory or CRT. So for the Silver Bullet, I put the guidelines up here, and basically you're only going to trade during the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. session. So the first step is to mark out the 9 a.m. candle hourly high and the hourly low. So I'm going to mark it out right here. That's the high. And then we're going to do the low. And right now we're looking at NASDAQ. I'll go over a few more examples. So now that we marked that out, you're going to wait for a sweep of either level and then look for an entry on a lower time frame. So let's jump down to a lower time frame. We're in replay mode right now, and let's let it play out. So right now it's 10 a.m. So this is the window. And what you want to do is you're waiting. So we swept the hourly low, and then we're looking for an entry model, right? So one of my entry models that I follow are IFVGs. So right here is an IFVG. So you could enter off of this on the 5 minute. So let's say we did, and we bought 4. And let's let it play out. And once, I forgot to mention, once we enter, usually you're gonna look for the opposing range as the draw on liquidity. So in this case, the 9 a.m. high will be the draw on liquidity. All right, so let's let it play out. It's also worth mentioning that this is also an IFVG now, so it's giving more confluence. If you wanted to POG or take profits, I would probably target this high too. And then let me just do it up here. And there you go. Now, one thing to also note that I'm going to point out is this order block, this validated, also a change in signature of delivery. I know I probably said that wrong. CISD. So a CISD is whenever you sweep an important level and then you're shifting over this previous order block. So when you're turning a lower high into a higher low. So that was one example of the Silver Bullet working, and you can see how it plays out pretty nicely. All right, now using the same session, let's look at it on, let's look at it on Bitcoin. So we're gonna look at Bitcoin here, and it works on many assets. So let's go replay to right here, and this is the 9 a.m. candle. So same steps. That's the high, and this is the low. All right, now let's jump down to a lower time frame. Right there. Now, what are we waiting for? Oh, it's there. Okay, so same thing. We swept the hourly low, and we're waiting for this or some kind of model for entry. So right here, you get it. It's very similar to what we just saw. You get an IFVG, so you can enter off this, and let's say you bought like 5 of these. Or I guess we're gonna do 6. And there you go. Because you're gonna target this. And it's very similar. There's IFVG here, and you just target. How I would target it is this internal high and this internal high, but the most likely to draw will be the 9 a.m. candle, the 9 a.m. hourly high candle. Let's look at it on futures. It might be easier to visualize how much money you can make. So same thing. I already marked it out for you. We're gonna do replay. Oops. Let's say you bought this right here, just one, and you go like this. put your stop right here. So you can see how powerful it is on both Bitcoin and the NASDAQ. Now let's look at it as if we were not doing this silver bullet, so if we weren't doing the 10 a.m. session. So if we go back to the NASDAQ, let's go to here. And actually, let's do another one. Let's do, okay. So now let's look at the 12 p.m. candle. I found it works on the 9 and the 12 for whatever reason. It worked really well today. So this is the 12 p.m. candle. We're gonna mark out candle high. And this will be the candle low. So the silver bullet, why it's so popular is because usually the 10 a.m. candle is the trend candle or the most volatile, and you get the most of the move instantly or in that session. For other candles, it won't be as fast most of the time. So we'll see right here. So this is the 12 p.m. candle, and I'll mark out the time zone. Let's see. So where does it end? It ends here. Okay, so this is the 5 minute. All right, let me get rid of that. And do you see an entry model on here anywhere? You do. So it would be right here. It's not really as obvious as an IFVG, but it's there regardless. And what else do you see? I see a shift or a CISD as well. You can use either one. So there you go. And then if you wanted to keep riding it until the draw would be the candle low. And then it gave you 3 entries to get on. So one's right here, another one right here, right? And then a third one on this. I would probably take to the draw. So it's pretty strong. That's the candle range theory instead of the silver bullet. They're very similar, except the silver bullet's in the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. session. Now let's do it in replay and see how we would have entered. So for example, we're looking at a 5 minute. Let's say I'm selling 5 here. And then I just want to take profit at this zone. And then if I want to enter again, sell again. Yeah, so it's pretty strong. I'm gonna definitely be using it to my strategy, and if you notice, I'll break it down again. So you get an IFVG, you get a CISD right here, also acting as an order block, so you can set your bids, and then you get another order block here, setting the same bids, and then just riding it down until sell side. Let's look at it on Tuesday. Tuesday is working really well too. It's not gonna work every day, but it's gonna work most of the time. So Tuesday, the 9 a.m. Here we go. $9 a.m. high, 9 a.m. low, and this is on Tuesday. Let's go to here. All right, so we don't know the right side of the chart yet. Just imagine you didn't see it. Now go down to a lower time frame. All right, and then there's also an indicator for the silver bullet session. If it will show, hopefully it shows. No, it didn't show. All right, so you're just gonna wait for a sweep of either level. All right, right there you get a sweep. Now you're gonna wait for entry. Looks like we didn't get entry. So that one, you might have to go to a lower time frame. So let's come back. Let's come back to here. We're gonna go to a lower time frame and see if we can get an entry. All right, we got the sweep on a 2 minute. There you go. Here's your obvious entry right here on a 2 minute. That's an IFVG. Let's see if it's on the other time frames. Not the 3 minute, not the 5 minute. So it looks like the 2 minute and the 1 minute was the best one. And let's see how it goes if I was to sell here. And then again, the draw is the low. See if there's so if you missed the IFVG entry, there was another one right here acting as an order block. Oops, it made it sell for whatever reason. I don't know why it's showing this now, but there you go. So let's just go back. So we're right here, we're selling 5. I'm just gonna speed it up. Put it here. And there you go. All right, so let's break down the trade. IFVG, and then an order block right here, another order block right here. So you would have gotten pretty good entries and pretty good sell off. So that's the silver bullet, and I think it's really powerful. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and share and subscribe, and leave a comment below if this helped you or if you will be incorporating this in your day trading strategy. Take it easy and stay safe out there. Peace.